insight on my day. I want y'all to come with me, you know what I'm saying? We finna get some money. Stay tuned, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna show y'all what we're gonna do. Man, forgot about y'all there. But I'm gonna give y'all a little rundown on what we got. I done got started a little bit though. These some bags and stuff that I already done got. 5 bags, you know what I'm saying? All these leaves and stuff. All these leaves. I'm gonna rake that up. I'm gonna do that last though. And now I'm getting up all the sticks. Cleaning it up for me. Get these little matches. They little shit though. I'm gonna cut this shit right here down. Probably bag it up. Some of it I'm gonna leave it off for the city to pick up. Take this motherfucker home. Me and Bay sit around this motherfucker brain. Drink a little liquor. Smoke some weed. Talk shit. You know it though. Grown folk though. Yeah. That's about it for the most part. There's a couple sticks and stuff y'all can see back there. I gotta go grab them too. Then we paint. After that, we out there. Once I get all this stuff bad up, I'm gonna go on the inside. Got me a little gallon bucket of that kilts. You know, kilts down in the closet. And we out there. Yeah, stay tuned though. We finna get some money today, nigga.